Good day everyone! For today's video guys, we will unboxing our new wireless doorbell with 2 speaker and 1 remote. Okay guys, let's unbox it. Okay guys, this is our new wireless doorbell with 1 remote and 2 speaker guys. The remote control guys, the speaker guys, two speaker guys, and 1 remote guys. The range is up to 100 meter guys. Up to 100 meters guys. The range of this doorbell. Okay guys, let's insert the small battery. Here guys. Okay guys, the battery. Okay guys, let's try our new wireless doorbell guys. Okay guys. Okay guys, another one. Okay guys, our wireless doorbell is function well. Again guys, thank you very much to all of you for watching my vlogging video guys. Please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button. Again guys, thank you very much to all of you. God bless you all. Good day everyone.